guys, my name's Justin, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be taking off the stock bumper and tow bar on the Ranger and adding in this little secondhand desert products one. I found this bumper on Facebook Marketplace, and as with most secondhand items, you know that you're going to be doing some work on it to get it back to where it should be. This one did suffer with a bit of rust, and as you can see, my tail lights, my trailer plug, everything else is out. That's because all the wiring was just in shambles. So I've taken all the wiring out. I'm going to be putting new wiring in the back bumper. I'm putting new tail lights in as well because the other lenses were cracked and wires were cut off right by the plug, so I can't even join them if I wanted to. So yeah, I'm excited to get this going, and let's see how I do it. So to give you an idea of the previous tail lights, they're nice cracked over there. It's full of gunk. The wires were cut off right here. Everything was pop riveted in as well. The old wiring loom, it's just in shambles. It's a nightmare, and it's all held together with insulation tape and just twisting all the wires together. So that I'm not happy with. Obviously I'm going to redo all of that. Start off with new tail lights. I mean, it does bring a bit of life back into the bumper. So to put this on, it's quite simple. Just take your bracket, put your bracket in there, screw that on, and plan that through. I got these from AutoZone if you're looking for some. As with all my projects, there's going to be a change of plans because I don't have any proper screws that'll fit here and hold everything in properly, and I don't plan on screwing into the back of this unit over here. So I'm going to skip these, fit the bumper, and worry about trying to fit these and rewiring them once it's on. I think it's going to be a little bit more difficult, but it's going to be a lot more easier at the same time. Why does it never easy? Never easy. Okay, so it looks like the camera did not record us taking the bumper off, which is wonderful. Good on you, Galaxy A32 and the little DJI gimbal. You guys rock. So we've taken it off. There's a lot of clay, mud, and everything like that. So I'm assuming this van had a lot of fun in the clay in its previous life. Yeah, so I'm now I've turned the van around, a little bit more stable ground over here, a little bit more level, so I can try and jack up this bumper, and basically I'm hoping I can just try and pivot it up and in. I don't think it's going to come right. Okay, so we all remember this frame from my DIY Canopy build on the Isuzu, and obviously I never went that way, I ended up with the rail. So I figured this frame is the right height to help me swivel this under and then flip in like that. So that's the idea. So let's see if I can swivel it under and then do the flip maneuver as well. too bad. It's not too bad actually. Yummy. I might be short, I might be fat, but hell, I'm nimble. I'm getting tired of climbing underneath here. Now, for some reason, inside this channel here, it's not the bottom bolt coming here, the one above it. That nut comes out on both sides of the chassis, and that's a big problem. What you need to do is you need to take a 19 spanner and just jam it inside there on this nut over here. Okay, done, dusted, finished. Oh man. Okay, so there we have it, guys. Bumper install is done and dusted, and I think it came out quite nice. Look, I still need to do the tail lights and the trailer plug and everything, so just keep an eye out on my Facebook page and the Instagram feed. You'll see it when I do those. I just need to put it in really and solder everything up. This is already going to eliminate that whole tow bar drag that plagues all the Fords, and this is something that they should have done from factory, you know, in my opinion. But yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Cheers.